What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with a little video. This is part 2 of the fuel setup. Still not complete. Ran into a couple other things, but started so far. So far got the pump and filters mounted. Just the lines. I cut the spare tire hump. Shit, it was easier, at least for me. Plus, I wanted to kind of keep the pump low. That scene sealer, that's not nowhere else. But got everything mounted. Probably can't see too good. So pre-filter, pump, post-filter. Disconnected the line because I'm gonna change that fit into a 45. But so far, man, I mean it's coming together. See, everything kind of high up, not low. I'll show y'all how my lines ran under the car. So I had everything clamped down, looking good. Like I said, I had to stop right here. I'm about to patch my floor, man. So I got some panels I got off another car. So I'm about to cut these out. And being I have to weld this close to the lines, so I'm gonna have to disconnect those for a little minute. Get this taken care of. Got this passenger side front, and also driver side rear. And that Flintstone action, yabba dabba do. So I get that taken care of. Kind of want to take the body out the frame, but I don't have time for all that right now. Then another little issue I got, a few lines coming that close to my downpipe. So I'm I have to figure something out on that part. But I mean, everything gonna be wrapped. Downpipe gonna get wrapped, and I might buy like a high temp sleeving to put around these lines and fuel lines. Not sure yet. Haven't made my mind up, but it's gonna get taken care of. So on the front, got the regulator mounted. Made these lines. Man, I mean it's coming together. Got some more fittings and stuff. Finish making the rest of my lines and stuff. Methanol injection. Also. Controller. And that's the pump. Man, do y'all research whenever y'all picking out y'all fuel system, man. That Holly pump that I have, it don't support E85. We're about to go ahead on and get this go ahead on and get this clutch installed. I done already dropped the transmission and wrapped up the fuel setup. Give y'all a walk around once I get up under there. But I'm about to go ahead on and get this clutch on. Got new got clutch master and everything. So tilt and clutch master cylinder. Clutch master, 8 3/4 875 bar. I'm gonna run A-end fittings on this braided line. Got no slave. Clutch lines. So we're about to go down and get started on this. Ain't got a lot to do, but it's coming along. See, transmission already off. And get back to y'all. Alright, YouTube. We got the pilot bearing and the flywheel installed. About to go ahead on and move on to installing the first disc and the floater plate. Get back to y'all. You know, I'm trying to record and work at the same time, boy. Man. I'm going on and align the first clutch. Well, the first this. that in, and I'm gonna go ahead on and tuck these bolts down. That's gonna hold the first disc, and then once I get all those tucked, I'm gonna come back with the second disc and the pressure plate. Alright, YouTube, we back. You got the second disc on, pressure plate mounted. Got it both tucked down. So we're gonna go ahead on and set the alignment, or shim the slave cylinder, so we have proper engagement, disengagement, and then get that done. I'll be back. Go on and get this transmission back up in there and get that done, and shit, on to the next thing. All right.